Okay, we've got an Independence Day or 4th of July preset running right now, and I just want to show you. So when you get your app, I want to show you a few things that you can quickly do to change this preset. So let's say you said it, your husband said it, your friend said it, we said it, whoever it was. Let's just say someone said it. So this is doing a certain sequence. It's right now, if you go over to the colors tab, it's focusing on 3 colors, white, blue, and red in that sequence. And the colors, this default it's focusing on just those 3. You have the option to blend colors, you have the option to add some additional colors in there, but again, it's just focusing on those 3. And then it's actually on the colorful effect. You can change the speed or the intensity of that colorful effect with this tab, and then you can change the speed under the speed. So this one, this intensity by default colorful is set, so if you'll notice that doesn't change an effect. But if I change to a solid pattern, so let's just say we want to focus on red, white, and blue, we want a static, we don't want it to change, then we can increase the banding, we can lower the banding. But these lights don't move like the last one, and so therefore the speed effect is not going to change anything. We can change the brightness, we can turn it up and down if we want, so depending on that. And so the 2 places that you're going to play with the most anytime you're in a preset or anytime you're in a area where you're wanting to play with some color are going to be under speed and under the effect here. And again, this effect is not changing because the default effect is under colorful, and so we can select something different. So now it's got a different type of Halloween effect. It's using colors that we've given it, and so now the effect is changing under stream to alternate, and then it's moving. As you can see, it's moving a little bit, and we can change the speed of that move. So a lot of things that you can do.